I'm trash. Ah. Oh. Yeah, I didn't see that. My camera. Okay. Fail. Hi. Hi guys, Kid Beats here. With another live stream. We're not live streaming, you dumb nut. Ah. Okay. Hey guys, sup. What is up, guys? Kid Beats here. It's fucking. What is up, guys? Stop it. What is up, guys? Kid Beats here. With another. I was about to say live stream again. Back with another video today. I'm gonna be messing with. Guys, I know y'all miss these. Y'all have fidget spinners. No, I'm just playing. Fidget spinners were so like 2016. We're not gonna go back to that. Flashbacks. Bad thumbnails. Bad thumbnails. Anyways. Shout out goes to her right there. Go get that taken care of. She's doing better than my channel with only 2 videos. 2 videos. She has 400 views total. That's more than half my views. What's going on? Tell me. Oh. Yeah. I'm dumb. Y'all didn't see anything? Okay, I'm putting on a shirt right now, bro. Alright? So basically what we're doing today is... Dang, my hair. Don't you just love my hair? It's just... I can't wait till it's twisted again. Basically what we are doing today... If you didn't read the title, I don't know why you would click on this video if you didn't, read the title. Is, shit, what did the title say? Let's go read it. Okay, I read the title, and, it says, if you didn't read it, it says, you read it, because you had to read it. Anyways, I'm not going to recite the title, because right now, I haven't made up the title, but I know what the video is going to be now. So, I haven't made up the title yet, but y'all clicked on the video. Y'all see it. Messing with me. Anyways. Crazy. Anyways, basically what we're doing today is me! I'm doing this today. Okay, basically what I'm doing today is showing y'all basic beats. Because I haven't done this, not even when I was a noob. Subscriber count does not say that I'm not a noob. But we're not going to talk about that. Because that gives me depression. And nobody wants that. So, yeah. Basically. Okay, so if you are liking beatboxing and you're wanting to start beatboxing, right? And you're subscribed to my channel and you've never hit me up because you're lazy. You're not lazy. I love you. You're my subscriber. If that's you, I don't know who I'm talking to. I'm talking to all of your subscribers that watch this video. If you're not a subscriber, just made a new word. Just made a new word. If you're not a subscriber, go check out... No, don't go check out my old videos. Don't. Very bad idea. Very, very bad idea. Basically, you're wanting to learn how to beatbox, and all you know how to do is, like, boot-ticka. If you only know how to boot-ticka-ticka-boom, trash. Trash. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you do want to learn how to beatbox, some of my old tutorials are pretty good. But the thing is, I talked a lot. I still do. They're really helpful. Some of them. that have a lot of advanced sounds that I have made, like the inward bass. Yeah, the inward bass, the tongue bass, the throat bass, and like just a lot of different basses and different things. Today I'm going to teach y'all advanced advanced technical beat. Technical beats to me are like when you're like, see, that's not how, I don't beatbox like that no more. I used to, repetitively. I don't do that no more. For beginners, this is for beginners. If you're not a beginner, and if you're like intermediate or above me, because a lot of people are above me, then don't watch this video unless you just want to, you know, support the channel. Ha! Hit the like button. Go ahead and watch the video, I don't care. So basically, the first sound, two sounds that you need to know is t. So, if you don't know how to make that, I got you. So, let me fix my camera. Okay. The first sound is t. So basically, you're about to say teacher, but don't say eacher. Just say t. Just say the T. What is it? What sound does a T make, guys? You know this? What are you doing? T, t, t. Second sound. Wait. So it's basically like a C or a K. So if you were saying cookie, don't say ookie, or don't say cookie. Just say k. Just leave out every other part. The O, K, E, I-S. Ookies. Yeah, I know how to spell. That's how boss I am. Take that out. Put C, just k or K. So what starts with the K? I swear to God, I feel like some of you are gonna think I'm gonna say triple K when I'm not. Just blur out the white. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Anyways, I'm not racist, by the way. I love all races. Japanese, Asian, black, white, Australian. That's not a race. I think Canadian, Mexican. I love Mexicans. I like Mexicans a lot. Anyways, so you have the two sounds. It's the t and the k. So basically, what I was doing earlier was when I was like, that was the fast replay of that. When you put t and k together, they're like t. Just do it right after each other and keep going. So just drag it out as long as you can. Just practice it every day, day in, day out. So this is what it sounds like when you drag it out. It's like, and some people, not me, I will try to do this, make it sound like a helicopter. So like, it's like, that was bad, I know it was. It's just like, bad, very bad. Anyways, that's the sound, right? Once you master to drag it out, as long as you can, like breathing and everything, that will be good. So you put that into a beat. Put that into a beat. You got this. Look. I'm trash, okay? I'm trash. We're done with this video. Like, subscribe, comment, and don't dislike it if you didn't. If you did like it. No, I'm just playing, man. Don't do that. That's, it's mean. My feelings get hurt a lot. And, no, I'm just playing with you guys. I'm a happy, joyful kid. No, I'm not. But, so, basically, what you do after you master that beat is you combine that with the tongue bass, which is, if you don't know how to do that, there is a video deep down in my channel. I'm not going to put the link in there because I'm going to forget. I'm brutally honest. But, yes, that if you don't know how to do the tongue bass, which is, there is a tutorial that I talk a lot in deep down in my videos. And I don't have that much videos. I have like 20, 15. I lied. That I have like 30, 40, maybe 50. On Sour Patch Kid, I have 167, maybe 168, because I live stream a lot and y'all don't watch it. Anyways, basically what happens once you get the tongue bass is you put that together with the tactical beat. That's the advanced tactical beat. And that's one of the first beats that I've ever learned, actually. Because when I first beatboxed, I was like, I did basically what I showed you. But I modified it now to where it sounds better and faster. Because when I did it back then, it was like I over-exaggerated the sounds. That's what most beginners don't understand, is you don't over-exaggerate it. You don't go, you go, not, you don't blow out after that. You just, cringe. Anyways, once you get that down, guys, you don't forget to like and subscribe to Kid Beats and Sour Patch Kids. And you watch every single video of them, or somebody will be outside your window. No, I'm just playing. That's not true. I'm not like that. If somebody's on my window, I'd throw my chair out there. If I had a chair in my room, I don't right now. Anyways, so you put the tongue roll into the tactical beat together, and it sounds like. Boom, trash. Let me redo that. Trash again. Anyways, so now you have that. So you have those two sounds done. And if you don't know like the real basic sounds, which is like, you then. Why? Anyways, if you don't know those three basic sounds, I don't know what to tell you because I don't have tutorials on those. So I don't know. And if you want to see me freestyle, I'm not doing it in this video. I did it in the video before this video, which was like 4 weeks ago. Three weeks ago, I think. But for this time, this is the end. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to smash that like button if you haven't already. And if you did like the video, and do subscribe if you like my channel, like my content, and liked the way I'm cringy sometimes, and I don't care, and I'm brutally honest, my camera almost fell. And it did it again. So, basically, do all those things, and then share it with your family, friends, and, what's that word? It's not like friends, it's like lower than, acquaintances. Share my video name with everybody, and don't forget, and guess what, guys? These braces, big chance that I'm getting them off next time, so you're gonna see me without braces again. Yay! No, that's terrible. I'm scared. I like the look of my braces, but I hate, absolutely hate, the pain that I go through. My friend just got braces, and I have to give her advice, because okay? It was a her. I'm not a cheater. If you didn't know, I got a girlfriend. I'm not a cheater. She just needed advice on her braces, that's all. I'm innocent, bro. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. If you do watch this video, don't forget to go subscribe and like these videos of the videos. There's only 2 videos that add up to 200 views, more than half my channel views. Her name is right here. I didn't do it until I said her name was right here, because her name was right there. And peace out, peace, love, positivity, and RAPX, love you, dude, and Mac Miller and Peep and all the legends of the world and all the creators of the rap game. All right, dudes, bye.